Hi, I'm Abba Shapiro, and I'm a professional photographer focusing on portraits and street photography. I want to thank you so much for pre-ordering our course on Luminar 4. Now, the course is going to be released on November 18th when the application ships. Here are some of the things that you're going to learn. The first thing we'll do is quickly process an image just to get your feet wet. And then we'll dig a little bit deeper. We'll look at the essential editing tools. We'll look at some creative strategies when working with Luminar. Then we'll start developing specific types of images. We'll look at developing a portrait. We'll also look at creating really beautiful landscapes with Luminar 4. We'll create a great black and white image, as well as look at enhancing some street photography. And then we'll explore using Luminar looks. Now, Luminar looks are adaptive presets that can really enhance your creativity. They can either be one-click solutions or just starting points to where you can continue to enhance a photo to your specific style. Once we're through with that, we'll explore how to use the library features in Luminar 4, tagging and rating your images, and then organizing them in folders and virtual albums. Next, you'll learn how to save time with batch processing by exporting multiple images with one fell swoop. We'll then dig a little deeper under the hood of Luminar and show you how you can install plugins as well as update the application so you're always current. We'll then explore workflows with 4 other photo editing applications: Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom Classic, Photos for macOS, and Adobe Photoshop Elements. Finally, we'll show you advanced techniques to manage your Luminar libraries. And if you're transitioning from a previous version of Luminar, we'll show you how to update your catalogs from Luminar 3 to Luminar 4, and where to find filters that may have moved to new locations. We've got a lot to cover, and I'm really excited to show you Luminar 4. So let's just jump right in and start learning.